welcome to our series on technical architecture. In today's video, we'll explore what these types of architecture really mean and why it's crucially important for successful software development. Firstly, I should start by calling out the fact that there are different types of architecture. Enterprise architecture focuses on strategy rather than code, and it is the strategy for how people, processes, and technology is utilized throughout an organization in order to be effective and efficient. The type of architecture I'll be focusing on this video is technical architecture. This is a lower level of abstraction which focuses on the technical detail and covers both software and data architecture. In Simon Brown's book on software architecture, he states that software architecture has a dual meaning. Firstly, as a noun, it signifies structure. It is the result when solutions are decomposed into its constituent parts, including all cross-cutting concerns and relationships. As a verb, it translates to vision. It means to take the project drivers and turn them into a technical roadmap. And this concept equally applies to data architecture. This is the case for many of the core architecture principles that we will cover in this series, and it is the reason for the umbrella term technical architecture. So, technical architecture is about making the significant design decisions, the one which will be costly if you change your mind about them. These can include, but aren't limited to, levels of abstraction, technology choice, platform choice, design approach and patterns, and loads more. In this book, Simon Brown also states emphatically that it is the job of the architect to introduce technical leadership into a project. This means being the person who can see the bigger picture, whilst also understanding the technical implications of decisions. The architect has to bridge the gap between business requirements and technical implementation. They guide the team through complex trade-offs and ensure that the chosen direction aligns with both current needs and future scalability. They need to communicate effectively with stakeholders at all levels, from developers who need clear technical guidance to project managers who need realistic timelines, and business leaders who need to understand the value and risks of any architectural choice. Without this technical leadership, projects can quickly become fragmented and individual developers can make isolated decisions that don't contribute to a cohesive whole. In this video, we have covered a brief introduction to technical architecture and the responsibilities of an architect in a project. In our next video, we'll deep dive into architectural drivers that shape projects like functional requirements and constraints. These are the foundation that every architect has to understand in order to create an effective solution.